Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a topic that can change your financial life. How to take control of your finances. And don't worry, this won't involve complicated math or confusing spreadsheets. I will talk you through how to build a personal budget that actually works using simple steps anyone can follow. This is the first step if you want to start saving money, investing, or simply feeling more in control of your financial situation. Why is budgeting important? Many people see budgeting as restrictive, but in reality, it's one of the fastest paths to financial freedom. A budget gives you a clear overview of how much money is coming in, how much money is going out. Without this, it's nearly impossible to know what you have left at the end of the month, or worse, where your money is disappearing. By having this overview, you can spot gaps in your finances, improve your spending habits, make better decisions with your money. Then let's start. First step is calculate your net income. That's the money you get after taxes. Why net income? Because you can only spend what you actually receive, not what your contract says before tax. Your income includes salary from your job, side hustles, rental income, dividends or interest from investments. Personally, I use a simple Google Sheets document to track all my income. Here's what it looks like for me. First point is salary of my main job, rental income from my real estates, dividends from stocks and bonds. Any additional money you can add here under others. I add everything together in these categories to get my total monthly income. It's simple and easy to keep updated. So if you have done this, then the next step, you need to understand your monthly expenses. This can be a bit more detailed depending on your lifestyle. I divide my expenses into two main types. So first one, fixed costs. These are predictable and usually don't change month to month. So what you can understand under this is, for example, rent, electricity, internet and mobile plans, car insurance and taxes, gym membership. These are easy to record because these amounts are usually the same each month. The second point are the variable costs. These fluctuate, so I estimate them based on past behavior. For example, fuel. I fill my car 2 or 3 times a month, usually spending 60 to 80 euro per visit. So I estimate around 200 euro monthly fuel costs. Groceries. We shop once or twice a week, usually spending 50 to 100 euro per trip. That adds up to around 500 euro a month. Dining out, entertainment and shopping. I give myself a free spending allowance of about 500 euro per month. This covers anything spontaneous. You don't need to track every cent. What matters is getting a realistic overview where your money goes. Don't forget about debt. If you have any debts, make sure to include the monthly payments in your budget. I also set aside money monthly for vacations. And of course, if you have a mortgage or real estate loan, including the monthly credit payments and interest. The interest go to the bank, but the principal payments are actually building your own wealth. Wrapping up. So that's the foundation of a simple, effective budget. Know your net income, understand your expenses, track it all on one place. Google Sheets, for example, is perfect for this. This process doesn't need to be perfect, just consistent. Over time, you will get better at estimating and managing your money. And with that clarity, you can start improving your financial situation step by step. That's it for today. Take action, start simple, and stay consistent. Over time, it can change your financial future. I have added a link in the description to my Google Sheets template. Feel free to download and use it for your own budget. And now I would love to hear from you. What's your number one struggle when it comes to budgeting? Drop it into the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more weekly financial tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, you control your money, or your money will control you.